Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing a simple APK extractor app and granting storage permissions so it can save files. Once done, make sure the app you want backed up is closed. That prevents partial files. Open the extractor, locate the target app in its list, and tap the Extract or Backup button. You do this because extractors pull the installed package directly from the system partition into a shareable app file you can move or store. After you tap Extract, watch the progress indicator and wait for the success message. Don't interrupt the process. Then open the extractor's output folder to confirm the app file name and a reasonable file size. That verifies a complete dump. You can also generate an MD5 or SHA1 checksum from a file manager to confirm integrity later. If you plan to reinstall on another device, this step prevents corrupted installs and explains why verification matters. Once the app is created, move it to a safe location. Upload to cloud storage or copy to your PC over USB or Wi-Fi so you have an off-device backup. Rename the file to include the app name and version so you know what you backed up. Finally, test installing the APK on a spare device. If the extractor fails, make sure storage and accessibility permissions are enabled, reboot the phone, and try again. That usually resolves permission or lock conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.